However, I just want the court to note that counsel that have pressures was in court and I have pressures. Very explicit. This is the ruling. Are the accused, Musa Ibrahim, also known as pressure 24/7, stand charged with 8 counts. 4 of these 8 counts are for hate speech. Under section 26 up to A1, A, C, and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended, where it is alleged that the said accused has sought between August 2023 and February 2024 in the areas of Kampala district or thereabout while using a computer via TikTok account at pressure 24/7, shared information which is likely to ridicule or degrade or demean and promote hostility against the persons to wit His Excellency Dr. Museveni, President of Uganda, in count number 1, His Majesty Mwenda Mutebi II, the Kabaka of Uganda, in count number 2, Right Honorable Anita Among, the Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, in count number 5, and Honorable Joyce Nabosa Sebukwawo, this is the count number 7. He said with 4 counts of malicious information under section 26C, subsection 1 and subsection 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. It's alleged that the said accused between the month of August 2023 and February 2024 in the areas of Kampala district or thereabout, or using a computer via TikTok account at pressure 24/7, shared malicious information relating to the following persons. 1. His Excellency Dr. Museveni, the President of Uganda, in count number 2. His Majesty Mwenda Mutebi II, the Kabaka of Uganda, in count number 4. Right Honorable Anita Among, the Speaker of the Republic of Uganda, in count number 6. And Honorable Joyce Nabosa Sebukwawo, in count number 8. The accused person denied all the 8 counts and applied for bail through 4 advocates, namely Masaba Raphael Gideon, Tumusime Kakulu, Tumusime Kato, and Ochida Hope. The accused presented 2 sureties, namely Nabozo Brenda, age 35, who operates a cosmetic shop and sister of the accused. Ibrahim Sembacha Matia, age 32, who operates a phone and accessory shop and friend of the accused person. The state represented by Lance Chief Setatone, Richard Billy Mumbuka, opposed the application on the following grounds. And the best of the affidavit in reply deposed by Detective I.P. Pamizo Agre, and the grounds are the following. That the applicant or accused person has no fixed place of abode, that the area local council one chairperson of Turkey Zone in Najana Nkumbi disowned him in the next C to the affidavit in reply, stating that he has never been a resident of his area. That he was arrested from Excelsis Garden Hotel in Itinda, where he had lived for 2 months, and that the charge sheet has his residence as Kauga in Mukono, and therefore the accused person's residence is not clear, yet it's a key factor to consider in granting bail. That the accused has no credibility given the fact that he has no place of abode, that his chances of absconding are high and therefore is a flight risk, given that he lacks a fixed place of abode. Is that the case of Francis Onebe versus Uganda, stating that it would be risky for his court to use an accused person who has no fixed place of abode. It was further established of the land chief Setatone that the 2 sureties are not substantial, that numbers of Brenda insist that the accused person is a tenant at Church Zone without credible source of income, or Mr. Sembacha Ibrahim Matia was disowned by the area chairperson of Muzana Zone in Chisenyi where he allegedly stays. He concluded that the two accused persons, that the two sureties have no fixed places of abode, and that numbers of being a tenant can shift any time. And on quotable sources of income, he cited the case of Mogera John versus Uganda. He further stated that the case is of public interest, and he cited the case, the ruling of Justice Tibulia in the consolidated administrator's application 45, 46, and 47 of 2015. It was further the state's submission that the accused would be unsafe outside prison and that the offense is grave in nature. He prayed that bail will be denied, and that if this court is inclined to grant bail, it should impose extremely stringent bail conditions. In rejoinder, Mr. Masaba submitted that the offense is not grave in nature as alleged by the state, as attracts a maximum sentence of 5 years in prison upon conviction. That AIS chairpersons who disowned the applicant and the sureties were intimidated by the investigating officer. That the state already has enough evidence against the accused person, and that's why we will charge him in court, and that therefore the accused person shall not interfere with the investigations. It was a submission that the sureties are substantial, and that numbers of being a tenant cannot bar her from being a competent surety as long as she can ensure that the accused person attends trial. You confirm that the accused has a fixed place of abode at Church Zone and in Kapoli Budaka, where he stays during holidays with his mother. He prayed that the court released the accused person on very lenient terms, virtually on non-cash bail. The issue now before this court is whether all the accused person has satisfied the ground for release on bail. It's straight law that every accused person has a constitutional right to apply for bail, which court has discretion to grant or not to grant in accordance with the law. I've carefully addressed my mind paragraph 13 of the Constitution, Bail Guidance for Courts of Judicature, Practice Direction of 2022, actually paragraph 13 on concession for grant of bail. The same paragraph states that the court shall consider the following in handling a bail application. 1. The gravity of the offense. B. The nature of the offense. C. The antecedents of the applicant insofar as they are known. D. The possibility of a substantial delay of the trial. E. The applicant's age, physical and mental conditions. F. The likelihood of the applicant to attend court. G. The stage of proceedings. H. The likelihood of the applicant to commit another offense while on bail. J. The safety of the applicant, the community, and the complainants. K. Whether the applicant has a fixed place of abode within Uganda, or whether he or she is ordinary resident outside Uganda. L. Whether the applicant has sufficient sureties within Uganda to undertake that the applicant shall comply with the conditions of his or her bail, among others. I note that the residence of the applicant is not clear. The charge sheet has his residence as Kauka Mukono, and when the charges were read to him, he never denied this particular fact. Later introducing him came from Church Zone in Najana Nkumbi, who see a person who see one assist disowned the said accused person as case said that not a resident of the area. There is also another letter from Kakoli Nibudaka where they allege that he stayed with Maza during holidays. Upon the police, he was arrested from a hotel in Itinda where he stayed for 2 months. In light of paragraph 13(1)K of the bail guidelines, I don't find that this person have fixed place of abode. The evidence on record shows that he stays in Church Zone, Kauga in Mukono, Kakoli in Budaka, and the hotel in Itinda. Paragraph 15(1) of the bail guidelines sets out what court has to consider in defining surety substantial, and these include the age of the surety, work and residence service of the sureties, surety numbers of render as a place of work and residence at Church Zone, and matter to the tenant is also assisted the accused person. In light of paragraph 15(1) A and E of the bail guides, I find her substantial. However, suit number 2, Mr. Sembatia Ibrahim Matia, has no clear place of residence, as he was disowned by the area chairperson of the zone where he alleges to be staying. He has no clear relationship with the accused person. He may assist as his friend. And in light of paragraph 15(1) B and E of the bail guidelines, I don't find Mr. Sembatia Ibrahim Matia a substantial to stand for the accused person. An applicant who has no fixed space overboard and without substantial sureties cannot be released on bail. If court did so, it would assume a risk, as stated in the case of Francis Onebe versus Uganda, which was cited above. I'm not ready to assume this risk for reasons stated above, and for those reasons, I do reject the bail application and further remind the accused the 26th of March 2024 when the case shall come up for mention.
Mune Uganda tukwaniriza okuva ebweru era nga tuli beeteefuteefu okutambuza. Tulina obumanyirivu mu kuvuga ate era ku miwendo egisaanidde. Kati nno gwe yeetaaze okupikinga ku kisaawe okutuusa ewaka ewuwo tweyune, ate era naawe ateekateeka okugenda ebweru twekwate tukutambuze okuviira ddala ewaka paka ku kisaawe. Kati nno mwanattu toddamu kumenyekana migugu ng'entambula weeri. Tukubire ku ssimu noti 7 noti 6 94 729 oba noti 78 29 52 155.